Hi there! In today's video, we're going to look at how to create a general journal template in Business Central and understand the key settings that control how journals behave. Most financial transactions in Business Central are automatically posted to the general ledger through documents such as purchase invoices or sales orders. However, not every transaction starts with a document. In many situations, journals are used to record adjustments, allocations, corrections, or specialized financial entries. Business Central provides several types of journals, and each journal is built on a journal template. A template defines how that journal behaves. It controls its structure, numbering, validation rules, and default settings. From each template, you can then create batches that are used for daily transaction entry. In this walkthrough, we'll create a new general journal template and review the key settings that define how it works. To begin, we search for general journal templates using the Tell Me search. On this page, you'll see the templates that already exist in the system. To create a new one, we simply select New. First, we enter a unique name. This serves as the identifier for this template. It should be short but meaningful. Next, we add a description to clearly explain the purpose of this template, especially if multiple users will be working with it. The next field is Type. This determines the structure and function of the journal. The available options include General, Sales, Purchases, Cash Receipts, Payments, Assets, Intercompany, and Jobs. In this example, we're creating a template specifically for purchase-related journal entries, so we'll select Purchases. Next, we see the Recurring option. If this is enabled, the journal will retain its lines after posting, allowing them to be reused for periodic entries, such as monthly accruals or allocations. Standard journals typically delete their lines after posting. For this example, we'll leave Recurring unchecked. We then move to the balancing account type and balancing account number fields. These define the default balancing account that will automatically populate on journal lines created from this template. This helps maintain consistency and reduces manual entry. In our case, we'll keep the balancing account type as GL account. The number series field determines how document numbers are assigned to entries created in this journal. Selecting a predefined number series ensures that document numbering follows company standards. The posting number series controls the document numbering once entries are posted. If these fields are left blank, document numbers will need to be entered manually, which increases the risk of errors. Using number series improves control and efficiency. Next, we have the source code field. This identifies the origin of the entry and supports audit reporting. It is automatically populated based on the journal type. The reason code field allows you to specify why an entry was created. This is particularly useful for audit trail purposes and internal documentation. The Force Document Balance option determines how the system validates balancing. If selected, entries must balance by document number and document type. If not selected, the journal only needs to balance by posting date. This setting directly impacts financial control and validation rules within the organization. We also see the Copy VAT setup to journal lines. When enabled, VAT posting groups and general posting types automatically populate based on the selected accounts. This reduces manual input and helps ensure tax accuracy. The Increment Batch Name setting automatically increases batch names sequentially. For example, if you post using batch 01, the next batch will automatically be labeled batch 02. This is useful for maintaining structured and organized batch tracking. Finally, the Allow VAT Difference option controls whether manual adjustments to VAT amounts are permitted within this journal. Depending on company policy and reconciliation requirements, this setting may or may not be enabled. Once all fields are configured according to your organization's requirements, the General Journal template is ready to use. And that's how you create and configure a General Journal template in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have questions about configuring journals in your environment, or if you'd like guidance on setting up Business Central to match your financial processes, our team is here to help. Feel free to reach out. And thank you for watching.